Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with your favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, it's Christmas is coming up very soon, and I want to say something to you, to the fans and to my friends. Anyway, we are showing you things and ways how you can do things at home. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can marinate your jerk pork for Christmas. We're going to put some jerk pork on the table, and also if you want me to cook it, you need to leave a review, a comments below. That's I can, cook it for you guys. But thank you so much for tuning into the show, and stay tuned and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And Chef Ricardo does keep it real and natural. That's where we are at the moment. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. So basically guys, this is the pork where my fans are more saying, oh Chef Ricardo, we need to see how you're gonna be doing that pork in the oven. But as I say, I marinate the pork, and I said this is a Christmas pork. We want to put some pork on the table. We're gonna put some baked chicken, we're gonna put turkey, gammon, all sort of stuff on the Christmas table. And I want to show my fans them how they can marinate it and put it down for soak for 24 hours before you cook it inside of the oven. This is my little secret. This is the pork right here. What we're gonna do is get a piece of foil. Alright, so remember, this is the pork which you marinated 24 hours ago for the jerk pork for Christmas table. Alright, what you're gonna do, put it on a piece of greaseproof paper, and also cover it with a piece of foil. The only reason why I cover it with the foil, I wanted to keep moisture and cook very nice, tender, soft, tender jerk pork. So basically, when you cover it with the foil, you can get it more softer and more nicer, and have a lot of flavor same way in the pork. Then after we know it cooked, we're gonna just take it off and put it back in the oven for probably another 10 minutes, just for it to get crispy on top of it. It's a fantastic recipe. Yes, mark 8 or 9. If you're using an electric oven in England, is when we're talking about 180 or 175. If you're using different oven in America or somewhere other country, for an ice sauces, we're talking about 220 or 300. Alright guys, thank you so much, and tune in and stay. We're gonna show you how to do this lovely jerk pork in your oven. Come out lovely and nice and full of taste and flavor. Enjoy the recipe guys. Nice one. So I just take my beautiful pork from the oven and remove the foil. I look at it, and when I look at it, this is the way it looked for me. It's really nice and lovely, and it's really soft, as I can see. If you break off the pork, you can see it's really tender and soft, looking nice and lovely. Let's give it a taste. Really nice. As you can see, really soft and nice. So it's just an idea of Christmas pork, guys, we can put on the table this Christmas, and hopefully you guys will just enjoy it. It is some jerk pork, and it's really nice. I'm gonna taste this one too. Really nice. So what I did, I just share it out, and put it on a plate, make you guys can see exactly what's going on for Christmas. Then I'm just gonna sprinkle a few little, chopped spring onion on top of it like that, give it a lovely look. But as you can see, this is the jerk pork which I'm talking about right here guys, and hopefully you will like the recipe, and please subscribe to the channel. You can do this and put it on the Christmas table for the family and everyone for being happy. So as you can see, exactly what I'm talking about right here, looking so lovely and nice. So hopefully guys will just subscribe and leave your comments below. That's the jerk pork. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook guys. Thank you so much, and this is a Christmas jerk pork. Welcome back. It's Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing. It's coming up to what? Christmas. Anyway, I just come from my local butcher, and I'm gonna say butcher. His name is Peasley, the butcher. How's it? He's on London Road, and this is his business card right here, guys. So basically, we can guys see exactly what's going on right here in the kitchen. As you can see, that is number right there, 028 684 1075, 780 London Road, Phantom East, CR76JB. It's Christmas. You need to get your meat, you need to get your stuff for Christmas. So what I'm gonna do, you know what I mean, it's Christmas coming up very soon, so I need to show my fans them all, you know what I mean, we have to have like probably jerk pork on the table, or probably stew pork, or probably, I don't know what you're gonna have on your table this year, but I know a year time we normally have a lot of meat and stuff on the table. So basically I'm gonna show my fans them how they can marinate their jerk pork for this Christmas. You have to have some meats and some stuff on the table, because it's not only turkey alone. When we do at Jamaica, we do Christmas in Jamaica, a mad thing, eh? So give my fans them how they can show, you know what I mean, some ideas of how you can get your meat marinate and ready for Christmas. It's gonna be fun this Christmas. Alright, let's go into business. Right here I have, as I said, just coming from the local butcher, and let's get some pork. Look at this, clean and nice and fresh. So the meat fresh, I just wash it off with some lemon juice. Alright, we all know what this is all about. You know what I mean? 90 cooker. If it doesn't have one of this in the kitchen, please get one. Very nice to work with. Alright, what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how you can crush up some seasoning and some stuff ready for the pork. So first thing, I'm going to put some garlic in my 90 crusher right here. Roughly that's 2, 4, 6 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna get some spring onion. Nice one. Let's put some spring onion in it. That's lovely and nice. Then some thyme. Nice one. Some olive oil. A little bit of mixed herb. What we're going to do, we're going to just mash this. Alright. If it doesn't have one of these guys, honestly, I need to get one. Really nice to work with. Special for mush all the garlic. Really nice. Really nice to work with. Then what we're going to do is scrape out this. So all of those natural seasoning I just put on it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a teaspoon of the jerk season. I got some jerk season which I just brought from the supermarket. Very spicy and hot. Jamaican jerk seasoning, really nice to work with, honestly. So right here I got some seasoning which I want to put on it. First thing I'm gonna put a teaspoon of paprika. Let's put another teaspoon. Nice one. I know you guys gonna love this. So this is another way how you can do your jerk pork for this Christmas. If you want me to marinate it for you, if you want me to cook it for you, let me know. A little bit of coarse pepper. Large teaspoon of paprika. all of these seasoning, if you doesn't want to use them, guys, it's up to you. You just, you know what I mean, it's just to show you one way you can do at home. And I got some everyday season. 1 teaspoon of the everyday season. Everyday season, really nice. Let's put a little bit of oil on the pork. I got some honey. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of honey for a taste, you know what I mean? If you got gloves, please use gloves and marinate it on. Don't do what I'm doing, alright guys? Gonna marinate up the pork like this. Cause you know what I mean, sometimes the pork have bone and it might get in your finger, so you have to be careful. But I'm a chef and I know what I'm doing. And especially jerk season is really hot. So please don't do what Chef Ricardo do right so. You need to get your gloves and use your gloves, alright? Because I want to rub my meat, rub it up properly. Yeah man, this looks nice. See that? So you look already? And then, looking lovely and nice. Alright. So this is another way how you can do your Christmas pork. So basically, we're gonna have pork, stew chicken, probably curry chicken, fried plantain, roast turkey, roast beef. You name it, all of these things, you know what I mean, gonna be at the table because your family gonna come over, so you do some little jerk pork and all them things there. Look at this. Really nice. So what you're gonna do now, so tomorrow is Christmas, then you want to marinate this from the day before and get it really soaked properly. Look at that man. Beautiful and nice Christmas jerk pork. And you can blend up your own jerk seasoning if you like to. But I just use the one in the jar, you know what I mean? Because the one in the jar tastes really nice same way. With some natural season towards it. So bringing a lovely flavor and a lovely taste. So guys, as I can see right here, this is it right here, looking lovely and nice. Hopefully you guys like the recipe and please subscribe to the channel. Look at that. That is looking lovely and nice. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica and the world. Thank you so much and stay tuned.